Okay. My voice is audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So we are going to study in this chapter number 6. We are going to study which type of line supports. Okay. आता जर तुम्ही whenever you are going to look outside your home and you are seeing some supports are given to that particular, what we can say, that particular to this line, means it may be RCC poles are there, somewhere wooden poles are there, or somewhere towers are there. Okay, so these are nothing but the line supports that which we are going to use into this particular power system. Next, which are the different overlaid insulators. Okay, which are the insulators? In that we are going to study pin type insulator, suspension type insulator, strain type insulator, and we are going to study this three type insulator by taking the reference with the overhead transmission line. And one of the very important part that we are going to study, that is nothing but the string efficiency, and which are the methods for improving the steam efficiency. This point is very important as far as the gate or competitive exam is concerned, because on this particular point the lot of question has been asked into the competitive examination, that is string efficiency and methods of improving the string efficiency. Okay, so these are our 6 chapter. First chapter is nothing but the what I can say, uh, economic aspects of power generation, base load plant. Then third, peak load power plant. Then fourth chapter, general structure of power system. Then fifth chapter, economic aspects of transmission system. And sixth chapter, mechanical design of overhead transmission line. Now we will study on which particular points I am going to give you the term work. Okay, on which particular point I will give you the term work. So what we have to do, we have to draw minimum 4 drawing sheets. Okay, what we have to do, we have to draw the 4 drawing sheets. Got it everyone? What we have to do, we have to go for drawing the drawing sheets. Now I will tell you what to do. I will give you some different parts, or I will give you different components related to this particular power system. What you have to do, you have to clearly visible it, तुम्ही ते बघायचं आहे, and you have to draw at your own on that particular sheet. त्या शीट वर ते काय करायचे आहेत, जे कुठले मी कॉम्पोनंट देणार आहे ते कॉम्पोनंट तुम्ही त्या शीट वर काय करायचे आहेत, you have to draw it. Everybody got it? You have to draw it. So how many sheets we have to cover? Minimum 4, but I will give you 5 sheets. Okay, I will give you the 5 sheets, not 4. They have given minimum 4, but I will give you the 5 sheets. Already that sheets are ready with me. As soon as we are going to proceed our chapter, I will give you that particular sheets. Now for our this subject, which books are important, which textbooks are important, or which books we are going to refer? See, we are having lot of books for this particular power system subject, but the very or we can say the very popular or easily understandable book is this book number 2nd, that is, or you can say a book number 1st is also there, which is that a course in electrical power by JB Gupta. This book covers your whole power system subject, means power system 1, power system 2nd, and power system 3rd. This book is also very easy, that is generation of electrical energy using BR Gupta, or by the author BR Gupta. Okay, these books are also easily available. Power system engineering by RK Rajput and power system power plant engineering by AK Raja. But whatever this first book is there, a course in electrical power, it covers your all power system, that is power system 1, power system 2nd, and power system 3rd. Okay, you can also refer this book. Power Plant Technology by Tata McGraw-Hill publication, and next Power Plant Engineering by Yashchand publication. But my as far as my opinion is concerned, I will give you one suggestion. Okay, I will give you one suggestion is that you can refer this book. Which books? A Course in Electrical Power by JB Gupta. Everybody got it? सगळ्यांना कळलंय का आपलं बुक कुठलं आहे? For our subject, which book is there? Everybody got it? Whether everybody got it? Shruti, whether
Yes, sir.
my voice is audible to you, Shruti?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can write down the name of this book, A Course in Electrical Power by JB Gupta. Okay, this is name of our author. Okay, so this is the one of the syllabus of our subject. We have studied whole syllabus of our subject. What we are going to study it in our syllabus. Okay, now see, another important part of our subject, or we are going to study, that is nothing but the course objective. What is our course, or which is our course? Power system first. Objective means what? For what reason we are going to study this subject, that is called as the objective of that particular subject. Okay, म्हणजे बघा आपण कुठलेही एखादं काम करताना आपण विचारतो व्हॉट इज ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह ऑफ युअर सब्जेक्ट, हे करण्यामागचा तुझा हेतू काय आहे. ओके, सो इन दिस वे why we are going to study this subject, that we are going to or that four objectives are there which are given here. Which are that four objectives? See, why we are to study this subject? In order to develop a conceptual understanding of operation of different power plants. Okay, we have to understand the operation of different power plants. That's why we are going to study this subject. Next, we have to learn different economic aspects in the power system. Okay, so which are the parts in the power system which are related to the economy, or which are the parts in the power system, or for which particular rate we are going to what I can say, sell the electricity to the consumer, that we are going to study. Or for understanding that particular point, we are going to study this economic aspects of this particular power system. Okay, then the necessity and the types of non-conventional energy sources. Okay, why we are going to study this subject? We have to study the different conventional and non-conventional energy sources. What we are going to study? We are going to study the different conventional and non-conventional energy sources. That's why we are going to study this subject. Next part is the and last, which is that we have to understand what is the exactly structure of that particular power system. Whatever our subject name is there, that is power system, what will be the its structure, that we are going to study in this particular subject. That's why we need to understand the overhead, or what is the structure of that particular power system. Okay, so these are our course objective. आपल्याला पर्टिक्युलर सब्जेक्ट कशासाठी स्टडी करायचा आहे, that is given in this particular course objective. Okay, why we have to study this subject, that is given in the course objective. And what is the course outcome? Okay, what is the course outcome? Course outcome is nothing but the what? After this completion of this subject, what knowledge you are gaining, that is nothing but the course outcome. Simply course outcome. Okay, so which are that? After completion of this year, you are able to define the basic terms related to the power system. Okay, then you are able to describe the concept of load curves and tariff method. Whenever you are going to study this particular subject, or after completion of this subject, you are able to define what is the basic terms in the power system, and what is the load curves and tariff in the power system. Next, second part, you are able to define what, or you are going to explain the what is the meaning of conventional and non-conventional energy sources, and by taking the reference of this, how we are going to analyze the working of, or how we are going to analyze the base power plant with the help of its working. The same case is applicable for peak load power plant. After this completion, you are easily going to explain and analyze the working of peak load power plants. Okay, means whenever after completion of this subject, you are going to analyze or explain this particular working of base load power plant also, and then peak load power plant also. Then you are able to clearly understand what is the structure of our power system. As our name is subject is power system, we are clearly exactly identify, or you are going to exactly understand the structure of our power system. Next, you are going to understand which are the economic aspects into the transmission system. Okay, already we have studied, this is our chapter number 5, that is economic aspects of the transmission system. So after the completion of this, you are going to easily understand which are the economic aspects that which we are going to cover it, or which we have covered in this particular transmission system. And at last, you are easily able to describe the different components of the overhead transmission line. Okay, you are easily able to describe the different components of this overhead transmission line. Okay, so this is the course outcomes. First we have studied the course objective, and then we have studied the course outcome of this particular subject. Okay, now next part is nothing but the what, title of the subject. Okay, already I have told you what is the title of our subject. Title of our subject is power system first. Okay, in short I will tell you the meaning of power system. Power system is the one of the branch of electrical engineering which deals with the generation, transmission and distribution of electric power to the consumer. Okay, what is the power? Power, as you know that we are having different types of the powers. Okay, but as here in our electrical engineering, we are going to concern with the electric power. So what is that particular power system? What is about our title of the subject? Power system is the branch of electrical engineering which deals with the what, generation, transmission and distribution of electrical energy to the consumer. आपण एनर्जी जनरेट कशी करतो, आपण एनर्जी ट्रान्समिट कशी करतो, and आपण how we are going to distribute the energy to the consumer, that we are going to study into this power system, or this is the meaning of this particular title of the subject, that is nothing but the power system. See, whenever you are going to facing any interview related to this particular your core electric company, at that time they will 101% they will ask you which subject you have studied. That time one word come from your mouth is that power system. They will directly ask you what is the meaning of power system. So what you are going to study, or what you are going to say, power system is the branch of electrical engineering which deals with the generation, transmission and distribution of electrical energy to the consumer. To the consumer. Okay, no, so these are the again remaining part is there. I think time has been over.